Hello, this is a video tutorial for Variables and Patterns, Investigation 1, ACE Problems, page 14, number 5. This is a homework problem. The problem reads, after doing the jumping jack experiment, Andrea and Ken compared their graphs. Because his points were higher, Ken said he did more jumping jacks than Andrea in the 120 seconds. Do you agree? Why or why not? Alright, I'm showing both graphs here. I had to cut off Andrea's name up here, but the top one is Andrea's graph, and this one obviously is Ken's graph. Alright, when looking at it, there's more to this question than just simply looking at which graph has the higher points. You have to look at the actual coordinate points and determine what they mean. So looking at Andrea's, as we go to the right here, as time goes on, and she's going by 10-second intervals, and at 120 seconds she did, it looks like, about 110 jumping jacks. With Ken's graph, again, we look going to the right, he also went by 10-second intervals, but at 120 seconds, even though his point appears higher, he went by a different scale of intervals here. Instead of going by 20s like Andrea did, he went by 10s. So at 120 seconds, looks like he did a little over 70 jumping jacks. So again, looking at the question, because his points were higher, Ken said he did more jumping jacks than Andrea in the 120 seconds. Do you agree? So we just figured out the answer is no. But there's also a why or why not. So you need to explain in your own words basically what we just talked about, why Ken actually didn't do more jumping jacks. This concludes the tutorial for Variables and Patterns, Investigation 1, ACE Problems, page 14, number 5.